Hello, cosmic detectives. Ernis here, ready to plunge into the fascinating world of AI, search agents, and synthetic data. Today, we're cracking open a research paper that's like finding a secret ingredient in your favorite recipe. Now, imagine you're training a super smart search agent. Think of it as a cosmic librarian, tasked with finding the answer to any question in the universe. This paper asks, how can we make these AI librarians even better? The researchers start with a bit of a puzzle. See, we often train these agents using something called synthetic data. It's like teaching a kid by giving them practice exams before the real test. But here's the thing, these practice exams are often designed in a way that the AI ends up ignoring a ton of useful information. I know, right? It's like throwing away half the ingredients before you start cooking. The paper is titled, Repurposing Synthetic Data for Fine-Grained Search Agent Supervision, by Zhao et al., and they're from Tongyi Lab at Alibaba Group. Now, let's step into our memory palace. Picture a sprawling academy, each room dedicated to a different step in the AI training process. In the first room, we have synthetic data creation. The researchers explain that synthetic data is created to train AI search agents for complex tasks. Think of it like this. We start with a simple question and then make it more complicated by injecting facts or changing things around. This creates a complex problem with key pieces of information that lead to the answer. Okay, in our next room, we have the GRPO trap. So, the current way of training these agents, something called Group Relative Policy Optimization, or GRPO, basically throws away all that key information we just created. It focuses only on whether the AI got the final answer right or wrong. It's like grading a student only on the final exam score, without looking at their homework or class participation. Let's visualize this with an example. Imagine the question, who directed the film starring the actor who won the Academy Award for Best Actor for The Revenant? A near-miss answer might correctly identify Leonardo DiCaprio but incorrectly name the film. GRPO treats this near-miss the same as a completely wrong answer, missing a chance to learn from the partially correct reasoning. Now, in the third room, we find the entity awareness solution. The researchers had a brilliant idea. What if we used the very information that GRPO throws away, the key entities, to give the AI more nuanced feedback? They noticed that there's a strong connection between how many key pieces of information the AI identifies and how accurate the final answer is. It's like realizing that the number of ingredients correctly identified in a dish strongly predicts whether it's delicious or not. That is the central thesis, using those discarded entities to create a more informative reward system. This leads us to our next cosmic chamber, e.g., the entity-aware upgrade. The researchers introduce a new framework called Entity-Aware Group Relative Policy Optimization, or EG. Instead of just saying right or wrong, EG gives partial credit based on how many key pieces of information the AI correctly identifies. Imagine our search agent is exploring a vast, dark library. Each correct entity it finds lights up a small section, guiding it toward the ultimate answer. Rewards the agent for each lit-up section, encouraging it to explore promising paths even if it doesn't immediately find the final answer. They formulate a reward function where incorrect samples get partial rewards based on their entity match rate. So, a near-miss gets a better reward than a complete failure, guiding the model towards better reasoning. And the results? In the next room, the Hall of Benchmarks, the researchers put to the test on a whole bunch of different question answering and research tasks. And guess what? Consistently outperformed the original GRPO. Not only was it more accurate, but it also led to more efficient reasoning, needing fewer tool calls. Imagine fewer trips to the Cosmic Library's reference desk. E.g., does two things. It achieves superior accuracy and enables more efficient reasoning policies. Now, let's step back and admire the big picture. Think of EG as a cosmic GPS for AI search agents. It guides them through the complex terrain of information, rewarding them not just for reaching the destination, but for every insightful step along the way. This paper is incredibly important because it shows us that we can get more out of our existing data by being smarter about how we use it. It's not just about having more data, but about having better feedback loops. So, next time you're facing a complex problem, remember the lesson of: don't throw away the near misses. Analyze them, learn from them, and use them to guide your journey to the right answer. This has been Ernis, your guide to the wonders of AI research. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep searching for those hidden ingredients in the universe of knowledge.